Okay, y'all, look at these huge, humongous flowers or plants. Those are great, but look at these. Wow. They are massive. Succulent. I believe they're succulents. Look at them. They're little leaf. See how big they are compared to just my little hand? Wow, I'm impressed. Texas has some beautiful flowers. What do you think about these flowers?
Well, you know what this is. This is an oleander, which
Oh,
is
is that what you gave me?
I gave you to start.
And it's
I
still
have one
alive.
that's growing. The only disappointing part is
And I brought it in the house the other
because
day.
of the season, and I can tell they've done some good pruning on it. Because of the season, we have no idea what color flowers that this will actually produce.
Man, they get that big?
Yeah, they can.
Well, mine's a little bitty planter. No wonder it's not getting big. Look at these, guys. Little peppers. And these wagon wheel. Oh, my mother would love this in her yard. Wow. Super impressive. This is the Hotel Dover in Fort Worth, by the Fort Worth Stockyards. Oh, I would love to stay here at night. And then look, you can enjoy the Fort Worth Stockyards. It's pretty. My mom would love that.
Oh yeah.
Right out of the wagon wheels and the plants all around that. If nothing else, I'm documenting that for her when I get home. Look at this one. Wow. Their gardener is great. Because this is like October. I'm impressed with it. And then I got the little peppers in with the big planters. And then look. Isn't that amazing? Very peaceful. And then we got the cool rocker. See. I'm rocking.
You're rocking?
Rocking.
Can we get your picture?
Huh?
Can we get your picture?
Well, yeah, but as soon as I get done recording, because I don't have it on the pause recording. Oh, look at the big cow. Look at the big sign up there. Cowboy in the middle. That's cool. Well, anyway, y'all, I just wanted to show you this pretty garden at this hotel. And I hope you enjoyed it's not going to be a very long video, but you know me, I like plants, and I just had to show them to you. And I'm rocking, see? Rock! Whee! Anyway, have a blessed day. Like and subscribe and share my video if you like it. So, thanks for following me.